Nothing like a hot cup of cocoa to get you through the day. Now, I know it may look like I'm betraying my keto fam and giving into my cravings, but I swear, it's additive-free, sugar-free, and best of all, guilt-free. Keto Cocoa makes it possible to live your best keto life without having to sacrifice your sweet tooth. Let's be real. Is a life without the flavor of chocolate really a life worth living? It's gentle on your stomach, but still high in fat. Why choose between sweets and weight loss when you can have it all? This MCT oil powder chocolate contains ingredients such as iron, inulin, cocoa powder, and medium-chain triglycerides. The best part is that you can use this cocoa-based supplement to add a sweet twist to any meal. Drop it into your coffee in the morning or incorporate it into your delicious after-dinner dessert. Personally, I love to use Keto Cocoa in my fat bombs. It's my favorite way to satisfy my sweet tooth and meet my macros. This stuff is seriously so good. So why not join in on the craze? Order yours today and start enjoying this chocolatey goodness.